We're at Stratos Precision Engineering. Now, this is how we've turned, or Citizen have turned a miller into a turner. So, by trade, Simon, you were a miller?
Yeah, 15 years milling on Haas machines.
But you've gone out and the company yourself have purchased a new machine. What is it?
It's the Citizen L32 LFV.
Okay, so I'm thinking straight away, it must be fairly daunting. If you've been milling, going to a 7-axis machine?
Yes, from 3-axis to 7-axis, lots of head mind games.
But to doing that then, how's the process been?
It's very easy. Citizen have supplied all the training and helped me out loads with everything.
So when you say the training, what type of controls have you got?
It's a Mitsubishi control on here, and we went to the Citizen for training on the programming with up there.
And if you do have any problems, straight on the phone with it, is it with Stuart?
Yes, Stuart Forrester is very helpful.
And then also programming offline, what do you use for that?
The Wizard, supplied by Citizen.
Again, as a miller, how's that been using that?
It's very easy, very user-friendly. It helps guide you all through it, very conversational.
And you say it's very easy. We'll showcase some of the components because they're pretty impressive components. But talk about what's in the actual envelope of the machine. What's the bar itself? So it's the L32 LFV. What size bar will it actually take?
This will take from 3mm to 38mm.
Okay. So you're going from 3mm to say 38mm. Is it easy to change over that bar?
Yes, it is very easy. It's half an hour changing the bars out.
Okay. Now, again, new to turning, but the LFV itself, has that been easy to use?
Yes, very easy. The Wizard does all the hard work for you with that one.
You're making it sound very easy.
It is very easy.
Talking about what's actually in the machine itself in terms of your tooling, your axes, what have you got going on in there?
It's 30 tools in there with a B axis.
That's manual B axis?
Manual B axis, yes.
Now, notice that, I mean, the door itself, access to the machine looks great.
It is. It's very easy to get into. It's all compact in there. And
nice and easy. But the B axis is right over the far side. How's that for changing over?
there's a door at the back. You just slide that across and get in from the side.
Basically, they thought about accessibility as well as everything else.
Yes, they have. It's very easy to get into.
So you've got all that tooling, driven tooling, 30 tools, etc. You've got your LFV going on. I think we should showcase some of the parts you've been manufacturing because, again, you're new to turning, new to sliding, new to LF, new to all really. Let's have a look. So just if you could just showcase some of the parts you've manufactured.
It's this polygon turning that we had a go with.
So what material? First of all, what material is that?
This is nylon, very stringy, and the LFV breaks everything up for us, makes it all very easy to use.
Right. So before, big bundles of swarf all around the spindle.
Yeah, and melts. It's horrible stuff. But LFV breaks it up. You don't see nothing.
So it's not about the cycle time; it's about the amount of components you can make in one hit.
Yeah, you don't have to stop. There's no break in between the components coming off the machine.
Roughly speaking, how many before would you make in one hit before you'd have to stop and clean a swarf?
One.
And how many do you reckon you can do now?
Thousands. It's thousands now. I wouldn't stop it.
Blimey, amazing. Okay, so that's a bit of polygon turning. Nice. Another part, please.
Yeah, it's a little peak nut that we made. Would normally have been 2 ops next door, mills, and then lathes as well. Comes off complete on this machine.
Okay, so on this, sorry, it's peak, did you say?
Peak, yes.
Yeah. Okay, so mill, drill taps.
Yeah, drill taps, mills, out the conveyor belt, finished.
Fantastic. And like I say before, 2 ops. Now, how long would you run the machine for?
That would run 24 hours round the clock unassisted.
Okay. What about, just a quick look maybe at this part here.
Stainless steel washer, 6mm diameter. Next door would be a nightmare to deburr and everything else. This does it all for you.
Okay, now I'm looking at that part though, fairly basic part, but in terms of tolerances and surface finish.
The tolerance is on here within 0.05 of a mil, and the machine very rarely needs to be changed and adjusted at that.
So again, I'm presuming you're running it 24/7.
Yeah, 24/7 that'll run.
And again, only a small part. What about tool wear and things like that?
If the tool does wear, the machine will sense it and alarm out and turn itself off and send us an email.
Okay, so overall then, sounds like a fantastic machine, enjoying using it. Yes. Do you want to go back to milling?
No, I don't want to go back to milling.
Simon, thank you very much.